Hello, hi, how are you people? I guess you people are doing good. I'm also doing great. So, I just wanted to share with you a mathematical trick. Today, have to square two numbers. So, 89 square any number, like any two-digit number, you can find out the square of any number up to 1000. So, this is the trick which I am going to teach you today. So, you can do it within 5 to 6 seconds, this squaring part. Okay, let's get into this. So, 89 whole square. So, first what should I do? I have to square this and write it here. What is 8 square? 64. So, I will square this and write down what is 9 square? 81. And multiply all these. So, multiply 8 into 9 into 2. Okay, 8 9s are 72. 72 into 2 is 144. Okay, now what should I do? I have to add 8 to this and 14 to 64. So, let's add it. So, I am putting 1 as it is. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 14 plus 64 is 14 plus 64, 78. So, again add this 1 here. It's 7921. So, you can easily find out how to find the square of any two-digit number this way. So, I will teach you one more different way, that is, this is the second trick. I will teach you how to do it. So, first what I will do is 68 whole square is the given square. You have to find out square for this. Now, 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36. Right. Now, multiply all these. Okay. Now, 8 2s are 16. 16 6 are 96. Right. Now, you write 96 here, and where should you write 96? You have to leave the first number and write 96 here. Okay. Now, add 96 here. 4 as it is. 6 plus 6 is 12. 10 plus 6 is 16. 4 6 2 4. So, this is here square of 68. Is it clear, guys? So, this is trick 1 and trick 2. Let me take 2 more examples and do it again. Now, see here. So, this is the first trick, trick 1, and I will apply here trick 2. Okay. So, this is the problem given to us. Now, find out the square of 56. So, you should multiply it again and again. Why? No need. So, if it is given in multiple choice, if it is given in your bit paper, you can do this way. See here. So, what should I do first? So, write down the square of 6 here, 36. Write down the square of here, 25. Now, multiply all these 3 numbers. 5 6 are 30, 32s are 60. Now, add this 3 to this, add 6 to here, 25. Okay. Now, see here, write the same number as it is. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 5 is 11. Now, add this 3 here. 3 1 3 6. This is here square of 56. Is it clear, guys? Yes? It is very easy, right? You will do it in 5 seconds. Yes? So, let's see how we are going to do this 79 square. This is trick 2. Okay. Now, 9 square is 81. 7 square is, what is 7 square? 49. Then, what should I do? I have to multiply 7 into 9 and into 2. 7 9s are, and 5 is 45 and 7 63. 63 into 2? 63 into 2 is 126. So, 126. So, where should I write 126? I have to leave the first digit and write 126 here. 126. Now, see here 1 as it is. 8 plus 6 is 14. 12. 9, 2 plus 1, 3. So, 12. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 2 4 1. Is it clear? It's very clear, right? Now, you can do in these 2 methods up to 99. Up to 99, you can do any number. You can find out the square of any number up to 99 in these 2 tricks. Is it clear, guys? So let's get into the how to do any 3-digit number. So I am going to teach you how to do the square of any 3-digit number. So you can start from 100 to 1000. Okay, sorry, 999. So you can start from 100 to 999, 999. Okay, 999. How am I going to do this? Okay, let's see how to find out this. Okay, how to square any 3-digit number, how to find out the square of any 3-digit number. So before going to a bigger number, first I will do a smaller number and then I will explain you the bigger one. Is it clear, guys? So let me do the square of 113 whole square. So 113 whole square. Have to find out the square of 113. Okay, now what should I do? First thing what you have to remember is, what is the 100 near to 113, which is the, if I add or subtract anything to this number, what is the nearest number to this? Okay, so if I subtract 13, I will get, so if I subtract 13, I will get 100, right? So I will subtract 13 and I will add 13, because I am subtracting 13, I will add 13 here. Now see here, so I will write down 100 into 1, so if I am adding, so let me add all these. So whatever is present in the down, you have to add it to this. 1, 2, 6. 113, adding 113 to 13. 13 is to be added to 113. Is it clear? So because I have multiplied 13 here, because I have multiplied with 100, now I am going to divide it with 100 again, 100. Okay, then what should I do? I have to square the first 2 digits. I have to find out the square of first 2 digits. Okay, 13 square, that is 169. So keep it like this here. First keep it this aside and let's do what I am going to do here. So 200s gets cancelled, 126. Now 116, 169. So I'm going to write down this 2 digits here because I have taken 2 zeros. Let's write down 2 digits. Okay, 69. And where should I write this one? 1 should be on the top of 6. Now see here, 1, 2, 7, 6, 9. This is your square of 113. Is it clear? Is it understood? Yes. Okay. Now, is it understood? I guess this is understood for you. So, 1, 2, 7, 6, 9 is the square of 113. Now, let's move on to the 988. So, have to find out the square of 988. So, first what should we do? We have to add or subtract any number to make it to the nearest zeros. Okay. So, if I add 12, it will go to the nearest zeros. Okay. Now, see here, I am going to add 12 here. So, it will become 1000. Now, I am going to, if I am adding 12, I have to subtract it with 12 again. Right. Now, see here. So, if I am subtracting 12, 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 as it is. So, with what should I multiply here? I have to multiply it with 1000, and if I am multiplying it with 1000, what should I do? I have to divide it with 1000 again. Now, what is the next step? You have to find out the square of 12. Now, find out the square of 12. What is the square of 12? Square of 12 is 144. Now, see here, cancel 1000, 976. And what should I do? I have to take all the 3 digits because I have taken 3 zeros. I will take all the 3 digits. Okay. We are going to find out the square of 988. See here. So, first, what is the first step I have told you? I have told you that you have to get it to the nearest hundreds or thousands. So, what should I add or subtract to this? To get it to the nearest 1000, I have to add 12 to get it to the nearest 1000. So, I will add 12 here. So, if I am adding 12, I have to subtract 12 again. Okay. Now, See here. So if I am adding, subtracting, if I am subtracting 12, what will I get? 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 here. So we are getting to we are rounding this number to the nearest hundreds or thousands. Is it clear, guys? So with what should I multiply here? I have to multiply it with 1000. So if I am multiplying it with 1000, what should I do? I have to divide again with 1000. Okay. Then what is the next step? Take the square of this number. Take the square of this number which we are adding or subtracting. Now take the square of 12. What is square of 12? 144. Now keep it aside. 144. This is your number. Square of 144. Keep it aside. Okay. Now cancel all the 3 zeros. Cancellation is done. Now write down 976 into 1 is 976. Now how many zeros have we taken? We have taken 3 zeros, right? Now you have to take all the 3 numbers here. 1, 4, 4. So, done. Your squaring is done. Is it clear, guys? Now, I have taken, so you will ask me, madam, you have taken the nearest numbers to 1000 and nearest numbers to 100. What if I get a number which is in the middle, like 500, 600. Now let's take that example as well and I will show you how to do it. Now I have taken the square of 648. This is in the middle. Is it okay? Now what should I do? So should I round it off to the nearest zeros? Okay. What I will do is I will add 8 and I will subtract 8. I will take it to 640 or shall I take it to 650? So we will take it to 650, which is easy for us. So what should we do? We have to take the number, rounding off the number to the nearest number, nearest zeros, so that it will be easy for you. Okay. Now see here, I will take it to 650. So rounding off 650 means you have to add 2 and subtract 2. You have to add 2 and subtract 2. So if I am adding 2 and subtracting 2. So if I am subtracting 2, 6, 4, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Now with what number should I multiply here? So if I add 2 to this, what am I going to get? 650. So 650 I am going to get. Now take the square of 2, that is 4. What is the square of 2? 04. You have to write down as 04. Now see here, I am going to take it because I will multiply it with 100 here. Okay, I am going to multiply it with 100 to make it easy. Now 0, 0 gets cancelled. This 10 I am going to make it as point here, 6.5. Now 6.5 into 646. Now, are you going to multiply 6.56 into 646? No, it's difficult again. It takes time. Now, 6.5, how can I write it 6.5 as? I can write it as 13 by 2. Can I write it as 13 by 2? Yes. Into 646. Now, cancel it with 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Now, see here 323 into 13. 323 into 13. That is, you have to multiply this 323 with 13. Now see here, 323 into 13, what is 13 3s are? 39. 13 2s are 26, 29. 2 13 3s are 39 plus 2, 41. Now this 4, I am going to add as it is. Now, have you got the answer? Yes? Is it clear, guys? 4,19,904. Is it clear? So if you do it, so this is because I'm explaining, it takes 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. When you practice it, you will do it within seconds. So I guess you people like my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Okay, thank you. Bye.